Imagine for just a second, the original owner of this weed trimmer, he's out using his machine that he always stored out of the elements and kept in just pristine condition. He's probably out weeding around some trees or some bushes or maybe a fence, and suddenly the engine just dies. So he releases the trimmer engagement and pulls the cord, and machine starts, but runs at a real slow and very up and down speed. Try to engage the trimmer, it just dies. Okay, fast forward, I asked my friend one day if he'd ever tried using one of these, because my back does not like a weed eater, and I have just miles and miles and miles of this kind of stuff that I could use something like this on. So he says, well, you know, my brother-in-law passed away, and I inherited this one, and I'll bring it over, let you try to use it if it works. Well, sad to say that his brother-in-law did spend some effort trying to fix this, as well as I did. And I'm gonna tell you what, the real fix was so ridiculously easy, I feel ashamed. But I'm gonna tell you about it anyway. I'm gonna tell you everything that was done, because when I got it, it ran just exactly as I described to you. Barely ran. The carburetor had been replaced. The spark plug looks like it was just cleaned yesterday. So I'm gonna just make sure I went ahead and put fresh gas, put a new fuel line onto the carburetor. I cleaned that carburetor out, even though it looked spotless and brand new. I even troubleshot with the ohm meter. I could tell there's an open circuit right here in this wire that goes on and off if you move the wire. So I put a new coil on it, a new magneto. Nothing I did fix this. I even put a spare carburetor off another lawnmower that I had same exact size almost. Same symptoms, same problem. I even found the tube that connects to the engine. The intake tube coming from the carburetor was loose. Tighten that up. Same exact problem. None of this fixed this engine. And what so happened is literally it's from a design flaw. The whole problem why this engine would not run is because probably while the guy's weed eating, he bumped into right here. And when he bumped into this, that's loosening the tension on your governor spring. Okay? This is the whole problem. I hope that man is looking down from somewhere up above right now and saying, oh, I'm so glad you got my machine running. Because all I had to do was grab this tab right here and pull it this direction. You gotta be careful in doing this. The more you pull it this way, the faster your engine's gonna run. And you don't want to overcook this thing, okay? Most of us don't have a tachometer to be able to know how fast we're actually running. You're gonna be reliant on your ears. But trust me, all I had to do was pull this back, and this thing's running like the pristine machine that it looks to be. I mean, this thing's phenomenal. So getting ready to probably start using it for the first time. And I'm probably gonna use this bolt to make some kind of a sheet metal bracket over there, just so when I run into the bushes and the trees, I don't bump this down. Of course, now I know what it is, but I just want to show you real quick before I let you go, just to show how easy it is to bend this. Watch how easy it moves. Look at that. I don't know. It's a little flimsy thing there, man. It takes hardly anything to bend this back and totally keep this machine running for probably years. So simple fix. Check out your lever for your governor spring. Thanks for watching, everybody.